With the peak season we've just had with Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we could see a huge increase in the amount of users using bots built on Certainly across all different verticals. And zooming in on fashion, there was an increase by more than 200%. That means that double the amount of users were self-selecting to use automation and conversational AI to help them get to what they want. And that was either typical customer service questions, but was also getting product support as part of their buying journey. That means that we could see more than 15% of all orders were actually impacted by conversational AI and bots built on the Certainly platform. And that shows us a huge signal for us in customers are getting more and more used to using automation and using AI. With the large increase amount of users interacting with Certainly bots during peak season here, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we can see a new interesting pattern emerging. That means that more users are self-selecting to use conversational AI to get to what they want. And not only understanding where is their order after they bought it, but they're using it more and more to understand if the product that the web shop has to sell, if it's the right one for that person. And that gives you that unique kind of personal experience. And as a result, in fashion, for example, more than 15% of all orders were actually impacted by Certainly bots. And if users are using it to figure out what product to buy, that should also mean that by the end of it, there will be much fewer products returned because they got the right help up front when they were buying it. If we look across our platform and the different verticals are using our technology to sell online, one of the things that we could see was that the percentage increase was much bigger for brands that were selling their product directly to consumers as opposed to retailers. And that is really interesting in the more and more competitive markets. So it seems like brands that are selling direct to consumers can utilize conversational AI to support their customers even more than before.